Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Another day with some wildfire smoke hanging around in the upper levels of the atmosphere. That's evidenced here on our Muskegon camp, where you can see, we have mostly sunny skies, just dealing with the smoke that continues to linger up in the upper levels. But we're expecting some reprieve from that here over the next few days, at least hopefully. Here's a view at the Port Shelton Bowie camp. You can see wave action not overly impressive out there today, but again, just kind of a milky sky. And the same thing here at Grand Valley's campus in Allendale with a light breeze generally out of the north. Here's a look at temperatures. We're at 77 in Grand Rapids, a little farther north, down to 64 in Sheboygan, 68 in Alpena and Oscoda, 68 in Bad Axe. Meanwhile, downstate though, we are certainly warmer than that. Temperatures compared to yesterday, especially over toward the Thumb, running almost 20 degrees cooler thanks to a cold front that slid through last night. We're running 10 degrees cooler now than we were at this time yesterday in Grand Rapids. Again, 77 here, 83 in Allegan and Muskegon, 82 in Holland, still at 84 degrees in Kalamazoo. It's still humid, not as humid as yesterday, especially off of the north, places like Mount Pleasant, over toward Big Rapids, Pentwater, Ludington, not seeing as humid of conditions, but further south where we still have dew points in the upper 60s to low 70s, it's feeling rather sticky out there, and that's going to ramp up, especially as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday before we see some more long-term relief heading our way by the time we get to the weekend early next week. A view of Storm Track Live shows that we have high pressure in control of the Great Lakes, but still producing some cloud cover, especially north, and some spots carry the chance of some cloud cover heading into Tuesday. Best chance for that as we start off Futurecast at 8 a.m. is going to be north of Grand Rapids. We'll also carry the chance of a few showers. Thankfully not looking like a washout, especially south of Grand Rapids should remain mostly dry. Forecast gets a bit more interesting as we head into Wednesday morning. I think this model's a bit aggressive, but it does show a line of thunderstorms progressing south right along 131. Some models have this place a little farther east. So for now, we'll carry a chance somewhere in the state of Michigan to see a line of thunderstorms early Wednesday. That does bear watching before we dry things out through the remainder of the day Wednesday. Severe weather risk for Tuesday night to Wednesday morning, level 1, or marginal risk for areas north of Allendale to Grand Rapids over toward Greenville. And we'll continue to watch that threat level as it gets closer. Big story after that becomes the heat and humidity. Dew points in the mid to perhaps even upper 70s, which is downright oppressive. Early glimpse at heat index Futurecast shows we could be pushing triple digits, especially on Thursday. Here's a look at that 8-day forecast. Highs near 80 tomorrow. Upper 80s for Wednesday. Chance of a few storms Thursday. Highs in the low to mid 90s. And then after that, some much needed relief heads our way with much less humid conditions. Temperatures only in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. So some relief's on the way once we get toward the weekend, which is great news for folks who are sick of the humidity already.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks, Blake.